everyone. Huh?
Yeah, come on, Juan, get under here!
Under there? Sounds good.
Ow, Juan! What are you doing? You shouldn't use that in this way when you barely know what you're doing.
I barely know what I'm doing? You wouldn't even know about this if it wasn't for me! And if these guys, they all know this was meant to be our thing. No, my thing! You're lucky I even showed you!
Juan, think about it. Now we can teleport and see the world, fix things that are broken. Nothing really has to change. We just all
stay the same. Like excluding me, banishing me to the side until I can find some cool thing you can steal from me?
That's not what I said. Look, it's just, it'd be selfish to keep this all to yourselves. Ourselves. Come on, Juan. Don't you see the possibilities?
The possibilities? We could have done that together, three. Just the two of us. That's why I showed you. It was supposed to be ours.
Juan, you didn't make this, okay? You found it. You got lucky, all right? Look, thank you for finding it, Juan. It's gonna benefit us all. But if you can't calm down, maybe it's best you just go hang out somewhere else for a while.
Who's to say I don't find another cool thing? And you ruined that too, huh?